Did you know 2 simple DIY hacks can stop 87% of break-ins instantly? Hey Fact fans, and welcome back to FactBite Daily, your go-to source for life-changing tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into home security, and I'm going to show you how to protect your home with 2 genius, low-cost methods that burglars absolutely hate. Let's get started. Hack number 1 is what I call the 9-second light timer trick. Forget those motion sensors that stay on forever and annoy your neighbors. You need to get motion-activated floodlights for your exterior. But here's the key. Set the timer for exactly 9 seconds. Why 9 seconds? It's just long enough to startle an intruder, make them think they've been spotted, and send them running. But it's short enough that your neighbors won't even notice, so you won't get any complaints about the lights flashing all night. Imagine a burglar creeping up to your porch. Suddenly they're blasted with harsh, bright light. They freeze, their cover is blown, and they retreat immediately. It's a powerful psychological deterrent that works every single time. It tells them this house is not an easy target. Next up, hack number 2, the fake occupancy glow. This one is all about making your home look lived in, even when you're out for the evening or away on vacation. Most burglars scout a neighborhood for days, looking for patterns. An empty, dark house is a huge invitation. So, here's what you do. Go grab a few cheap automatic timers from any hardware store. You want the quiet, mechanical ones, not the digital ones that are too predictable. Plug your regular lamps into these timers and set them to randomly turn on and off between 6 p.m. and midnight. Place one in the living room, maybe another in an upstairs bedroom. The random, flickering lights create the illusion that people are home, moving from room to room, watching TV, and living their lives. From the street, your house will look warm, occupied, and totally uninviting to a potential thief. You can even plug a TV into one to add that flickering blue glow for extra realism. So why do these simple tricks work so well? It's all about a burglar's mindset. They are looking for the path of least resistance. They want a quick, quiet, and risk-free job. When they're watching a neighborhood, a house that's dark every night screams, "Nobody's home, come on in." But a house with sudden, jarring floodlights and random interior light suggests someone is present, aware, and unpredictable. It creates uncertainty and risk, and that's the last thing they want. They'll simply skip your house and move on to an easier, darker target down the street. The best part? You don't need any fancy, expensive security systems. There are 0 monthly subscription fees and no complicated installations. This is pure psychology and smart timing. It's about outthinking the intruder, not outspending them. These 2 hacks give you incredible peace of mind for just a few dollars. So there you have it. 2 incredibly effective DIY security hacks to protect your home and your family. If you found this useful and are planning on using these tricks tonight, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more daily facts, and comment "protected" down below. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you with more hacks tomorrow. Thanks for watching.